Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about being able to compare the length of objects using comparing words, such as longer than, shorter than, and equal to. So let's look at this. It says Anna Claire is shorter than Riley. Hudson is taller than Riley. Anna Claire is shorter than or taller than Hudson. So I'm going to read it again. Anna Claire is shorter than Riley. Hudson is taller than Riley. Anna Claire is shorter than or taller than Hudson. So, looking at this and read it again. So, Anna Claire is shorter than Riley. Hudson is taller than Riley. Anna Claire is shorter than or taller than Hudson. So, we are going to have to draw a picture to figure this out. So, all I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line to show our endpoint. Okay, so we're just going to take it sentence by sentence and we're going to draw what each sentence is telling us. It says, Anna Claire is shorter than Riley. Okay, so I'm going to draw a picture of Anna Claire, which I'm not going to actually draw a picture of a person. I am just going to draw kind of a bar or a rectangle for Anna Claire. So this is Anna Claire. So we know that Anna Claire is shorter than Riley. That means Riley is going to have to be taller. So let's look at this again. Anna Claire is shorter than Riley. Does my picture show Anna Claire being shorter than Riley? Yes, Anna Claire is shorter than Riley. Now it says Hudson is taller than Riley. So I have to make Hudson taller than Riley. So I put H for Hudson. So let's look at this. Is Hudson taller than Riley? Yes. Let's see the last sentence. We're going to have to circle one of them. Shorter than or taller than to make it true. It says Anna Claire is shorter than or taller than Hudson. So let's look at Anna Claire, and let's look at Hudson. So it says Anna Claire is shorter than or taller than Hudson. So looking at this, we know that Anna Claire is shorter than Hudson because Anna Claire goes like this across, just so I can compare easily. Anna Claire stops at this line I just drew across. Hudson keeps on going. So we know that Anna Claire is shorter than Hudson. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.